Hello everyone, can you solve this equation? Put the correct answer in the comment. Having said that, let's solve it together. The common mistake people make in this kind of equation is that they begin from left and they solve subtraction first. 62 minus 18 will give us 54. 54 times 18 minus 10 will give us 8, and that will give us 432. This answer is not correct. To solve this question correctly, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Some countries call it board mass. Using this PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. Parentheses is the one here, 18 minus 10. So we begin with that. 62 minus 18. 18 minus 10 is 8. The next one here is exponent, something like 2 raised to power 3, followed by multiplication and division. You evaluate from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. The next one here is the multiplication. So let's solve the multiplication. 62 minus 18 times 8 is 144. And 62 minus 144 will give us minus 82. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.